Welcome to the foundation of automotive sales. Step one, the meet and greet. This is where the game is won or lost. In this business, you don't get a second chance to make a first impression. Research shows that customers form their opinion of you within just 10 seconds. 10 seconds. That's all the time you have to communicate posture, energy, and confidence before you even open your mouth. You must approach with purpose. Walk toward the customer. Never wait for them to come to you. Energy is contagious and yours needs to be electric. When you take the initiative, you take control of the environment. You're showing them that they are the most important person on this lot. Then use the power of your name. Introduce yourself clearly, get their name and use it. People buy from people they trust, and trust starts with a name. A name is the sweetest sound in any language. Use it to build that bridge of rapport immediately. It's the foundation of the relationship. Next, you must eliminate pressure immediately. Tell them, I'm not here to sell you anything today. I'm here to help you find the right vehicle. That one sentence lowers the defensive walls. It transforms you from a salesperson into a guide, and guides are who customers listen to. Now set the agenda. Tell them exactly what the process looks like up front. When customers know what to expect, they relax. Uncertainty is the enemy of the sale. Give them the roadmap, show them the path. When they see the destination, they're willing to take the journey with you. Let's talk body language. It's your silent weapon. A firm handshake, open body posture, and slow, clear speech are non-negotiable. Maintain direct eye contact, mirror their energy. If they're excited, match it. If they're analytical, slow it down, become their reflection. Remember the 10-second rule. Your posture, your smile, and your energy communicate more than your words ever will. Dress sharp and radiate confidence. You are a champion, and champions don't just show up, they make their presence felt the moment they step onto the field. As I always say, champions approach every customer like they're the most important person on the lot because they are. Your attitude when you walk up to that car is the difference between a deal and a drive-off. It's all about them, not you. Avoid the deal killers. Don't wait by the door. Don't look bored and never lead with a price. Lead with value and human connection. Build the value first. The price only matters when the value is absent. Connection is the currency of the modern car buyer's journey. Here's your mastery challenge. Practice your approach 10 times today with a colleague. Get the feedback, adjust your posture, and nail that first impression. This is just the beginning. At WBG Training Academy, we build champions through discipline and systems that actually work in the real world. Go to WBGacademy.org right now and sign up for the $1 trial. It's time to stop being an order taker and start being a professional. Move smarter. Checkmate is coming. I'll see you in the next module where we dive into qualifying. Now go. Visit WBGacademy.org for the full masterclass. See you at the top.